Hey everyone, this is Michael Treadhart. Actually just finished a conference in downtown Dallas, sharing a lot of great information with some wonderful people and looking to do the same for you next week. So on April 27th, going to be in town and looking forward to seeing Haro and all his group and everybody else at the session. This is going to be a session that's going to change your business, and it's going to change your business for the better. In the morning, we're going to go in and we're going to talk about elements within Google that you can apply to your business that are completely free, that are complete game changers. I had somebody in my class today that had applied what I taught them, and it added over $400,000 to the bottom line last year. And that tool that I taught them, completely free. Then we're going to go in and we're going to talk about how to go in and enhance your profit share, your downline with online recruiting. So we're going to go in and show you the online recruiting platform that my website design team has created, how that works, we'll take you through the back office, show you all the marketing, all the training that comes with it, and how you can apply this to your downline. And then we're going to wrap the day with 7 ways to grow your business. And what it is I'm going to take you through the 7 ways that I have listed on my site right here. And they have tons and tons of links underneath each one. And we're going to show you how you can apply some of these links to improve your lead capture and generation, hardware, software, social media, photo and video, and so much more. Bring your laptop, bring your tablet, be ready to go hands-on, because we're going to do what's called Tell, Show, Do. And I look forward to seeing you guys on April 27th. See you then. Thanks.